Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to record your PC screen with Streamlabs OBS. It's very simple, so let's begin. First, you need to have a Streamlabs OBS software. Now once you've downloaded it, you will have two options. For our video tutorial, we're going to select record only. Now click continue and skip the rest of that. Now once you're inside this interface, you want to do is to add a new source by clicking this plus sign and select screen capture. Now in my case, I have two monitors, so just select what monitor you want to screen capture. We're gonna select my screen number 2 so that we will see my other window. You're now seeing my screen. Now if you want to add some sounds to the record, go to desktop audio and adjust the default to your device. Now in my case, I have headphones. So select what kind of device you have it there. Now you will see that it is currently working. It detects the sound of the video. Now once it's done, now to record your screen, simply click record below. And now once it's done, you will see where it has been saved. So just that simple. I hope this video helped you out.